guidelines as well. The application I'm showing you here is a way to monitor and then track cleaning operations in real time. I've divided up this airport at Houston George Bush Terminal C into different cleaning zones and cleaning areas. As you see here, this dashboard gives supervisor of that terminal quick access to the real-time information about cleaning operations that are ongoing. As you can see, as I zoom in to the areas, I can see greater levels of detail as well. I can also filter out, as the terminal manager, those areas that were cleaned today, yesterday, or last week. It gives me a quick understanding of the status of all the cleaning areas in the terminal. Likewise, by zone, as that terminal manager, I can then identify zones and see the status of them that have been cleaned in real time. Restrooms require special attention because of the high volume of traffic, so you want to be able to track those real quickly with a filter like this. You can see the updated information about that restroom, as well as a high-resolution drawing, an AutoCAD drawing file of it. I can then see a quick running total of those areas that were cleaned and the progress of being cleaned, and also see their status simply by tapping on this interactive widget. You can also see by zone those areas that were cleaned and a list of all those areas that are in the process of being cleaned, those that have been cleaned, and then I could identify simply by selecting them detailed information about the status of each of those that have been cleaned. Let's go now and look at how the person who's overseeing the cleaning operations would use a mobile device to track the cleaning as it's ongoing. I'm the manager of those cleaning, and anytime there's cleaning going on, I would simply have a tablet and I could interact real quickly with this app by tapping in the area where that cleaning's ongoing. It automatically populates the cleaning number. I could put in the person who's doing that cleaning and the date and time, and then its status. So I've inspected this area and have verified that it has been cleaned and it did pass inspection. I could then upload a picture if I chose to take a picture of the area that has been cleaned, and then simply submit it. And it's really that simple. And the minute that that record has been submitted, it's stored in a database for auditing for later purposes, and it also feeds the operations dashboard so that you can see that status of that cleaning operation as a terminal manager in real time. As you saw there, that status was updated to inspected.